Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Simple Educational Tips. Today I am going to share with you some words that start with the letter A. So let's get started. A for apple, ant, airplane, ambulance, alligator, arrow, angry, arms, artist, animals, angel, acorn, apricot, Africa, avocado, aquarium, art, almond, airport, army, album, award, Australia, avocado. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to see latest video.